Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix vibration not working on iPhone in iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility, tap touch, scroll down, turn on vibration. Solution number 2. Turn on play haptics in ring mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap sound and haptics. Scroll down. Turn on play haptics and ring mode. Solution number 3. Select none under vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap sound and haptics. Scroll down. Tap ringtone. Swipe up. Tap vibration. Select none. None is already selected. Solution number 4. Turn on system haptics. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap sound and haptics. Scroll down. Turn on system haptics. Thanks for watching this video.